chemistry is on results and data extraction. Here you can see what you need to do to explain what information you are going to extract, what data you are going to extract from different papers that you have selected for this study. I take you through 4 different steps here to explain that process. Next, we move on to sub-module within the module 3, where I discuss a lot of examples on how to write the results section. And this is a very important section because it kind of gives you a step-by-step guidance on how different sections of the results can be written. You see examples from top quality research public journals and how you can apply those ideas in your paper. In the next sub-module, we talk about the results. Within results, how we use tables that we discussed earlier on and the text, and how we link these two things together is covered in this module. And I give you many examples here with lots of videos. We then move on to thematic descriptions, how to write thematic descriptions if you are following a thematic analysis approach for your SLR. And we explain that using an example for a paper, if you were to write a paper on adoption factors. This is one of the very common topics that people write SLR papers on, which is on identifying adoption factors for different things. So I have covered that here as well. Next, we cover the conceptual framework and recommendations and how to write that in your SLR paper. And if you are making recommendations, how those should be written and how you should convey the main findings to your audience.
Also looking for new campus ambassadors. If you would like to represent me, please join my WhatsApp group for campus ambassadors. Link is in the description below. That's all I have to say in this video. I'm Vidy Potdar. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in my next video.